We have Raj Shekhar, who cleared PMP exam with overall above target. We are going to record a journey. The journey is recorded for two purposes. One, to share with the audience the hard work of that PMP aspirant. And the second, to share the lesson learned, which any aspirant can immediately implement in their life. Of course, after tailoring it, please do tailor everything according to you, and then you can become a certified PMP too. So, Raj Shekhar, first of all, congratulations from the entire PMP community. And please share your entire
Thank you.
journey.
Sure, sir. So my journey began in 2015 uh, when I joined this professional world after graduating from my college. So I've seen somewhere that there is some course provided by PMI. So, but at that time, my eligibility was not there. So I have to wait for another 1 year. But unfortunately, I started my preparation in 2020 during this lockdown. So I thought that this is the great opportunity to utilize the time as well as manage the work. So I started preparing in 2020 May, but due to some health issues and family problems, so I postponed my plan. So I planned my examination on 27th of December 2020, but unfortunately it was not successful as I was giving my examination from my friend's home. So during last 1 hour, somebody knocked on the door and started banging the door. Okay, who is inside the house? So I cannot speak and I cannot stand up from the examination because otherwise they would have cancelled my examination. So last 45 minutes, my mind was totally blocked. What to do, what not to do. But after 5 minutes, that guy has gone away. But my continuity has broken at that time. So at that time, I realized that I'm not going to clear it. So I make my mind that I'm not going to clear it. So I didn't solve any question. I was just sitting and just reading the questions. So last 45 minutes I wasted, and my result, it on the screen it appeared that sorry, you are not qualified. So I was a little bit tensed, and I was frustrated because I have worked a lot and hard too, but unfortunately I didn't make it. So I left the PMP, and I thought I would never give this examination again. But again, my wife boosted my morale. She told that you should once again try it. So in February 2021, I started pulling out my books, my notes, what I prepared earlier. And from April 1st of week, I have started my preparation. So during my preparation, I have gone through the videos, your videos, especially the journey videos, the agile videos. It was amazing. It made my concept so clear. I was in a doubt that I would not be able to clear agile part because I'm a construction guy, hardcore construction guy. So agile is a bit difficult for me. I have never seen agile. So when I started watching your videos, I was just searching on YouTube. How should I prepare my PMP? So I went through one of videos. Then in that 50 or 40 minutes video was there. You have made my concept clear. So I referred all your coaching calls, all your journeys, and my notes. That's it. In 2 months, I have done this and the mocks. I have given 4 full mocks of Prepcast. Uh, those mocks were awesome. They, I can relate the questions. The language which Prepcast is using is similar to what PMI is using. Because earlier, what I have used the mock were not as per the PMI language, I would say. So in Prepcast mocks, I was scoring around first was 68, second was 70, third and fourth was 66, 68. But I was not having continuity while giving the mocks because I'm giving from my home. There was time boundation, but um, it was not so effective because in between I used to use my mobile. I used to check my messages. So 10 to 20 questions I was just making wrong from my. I know that those questions I can make those questions right, but I was not clear
You are
on my
not in the
concept.
phase. You are not in the
Yes,
phase,
yes, yes.
I would say.
Right. So then I thought, I have booked my test for center base because from my home there is an internet connectivity issue. So I thought I should go and
Just to
give
put in
from
the
center.
context, when we started recording, two times we had an internet issue while recording this
Yeah.
interview.
So, but unfortunately, that also got cancelled. Because due to lockdown, so I got a mail on 11th of June on my birthday that sorry, you need to manage it from your home. So I thought, what should I do? So I thought I will give on same day, same time from my home. Let's see what will happen. So on 16th, I again rescheduled it on 10 a.m. So I went through. Unfortunately, by the grace of God, nothing bad happened. So
The trend has become unfortunately. So even you cleared the exam this time, your mind is saying it unfortunately.
yes, yeah.
Okay. So okay.
So finally, when I was giving the examination, so the first 60 minutes, I have completed in 80 minutes. So second was a little bit hard. I was feeling sleepy in between during 90, question number 80 to 90.
Haven't you took the break?
Yeah, I have taken the break, but after break, I don't know what happened to me. My mind was little bit feeling sleepy. I was feeling sleepy. So from question number 80 to 90, then I remembered your technique. Take deep breath, relax yourself. So I thought it will take another 2 to 3 minutes, but again, I energized myself and I continued through the journey. But last 60 minutes was awesome. Those questions I have attempted, I thought I was attempting right questions. So when I submitted it, the result came. Congratulations, you have won the PMI badge.
If I put it in the context, the real difference was the same thing as previous. Previously, in the last 45 or 60 minutes, you lost your mind. Like I cannot.
Correct.
In this,
Yeah.
in this time, on the last 60 minutes, you were confident. No, I will do,
Yes.
and you did. So there's a big lesson for all of us. Actually, if I put in the context of our cricket, because India, Pakistan are the very famous for cricket, last over, last 5 over really matter.
Correct.
Last game,
Yes.
last day for exam, last 30 minutes before exam, last 30 minutes of exam, they really matters. And focus, deep breathe. Deep breathe is a fascinating technique that you must use everywhere in your life. Even for me, when I wake up, I actually when before starting work, I actually do deep breathing exercise. And during the day, whenever I need to put back me into my face, put back me into focus. I do that. So you already said that you use Prepcast for preparation, and that was enough,
Yes.
including my journeys videos. So,
Yeah.
uh, let me tell me about exam. So, exam was more agile or predictive since you are a construction guy. So, you can give
Yeah.
a great context about it.
Predictive was less this time. I think 30% or 40% predictive was there, and rest all was hybrid and agile.
Okay, okay. No issue, no issue. So, tell me something, which area was more focused? Stakeholder, communication, resource?
Stakeholder was, I think, bit much. Then communication, then resource management, procurement, little bit. Only I think one or two questions.
Hmm.
For schedule and scope, I think there were questions. I got one numerical question.
Which numerical?
Uh, some EV data, SPI, CPI was given,
You cannot tell
and they.
you cannot tell the question. Okay.
Sure.
So SPI, CPI was given, you may have to calculate something else, right?
I need to relate something in between,
Okay,
in
okay.
some
But the
percentage form.
questions were about SPI, CPI.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, okay, good. Any critical path question?
No.
Okay. So this has been,
8 match the following.
yeah.
Yeah, eight match the followings. 6 multiple choice. multiple choice question, and rest all the single choice questions.
Okay. So drags and drop are easy.
Yeah, I have seen your videos, those drag and drop.
So
those videos help me a lot.
they are enough.
Yeah.
They are enough for the real PM.
Yes, I would say sufficient. Yes.
Good. That's a relief to know. Okay. So Raj, you have been watching my videos. You always know that. In the end, I ask 1 minute advice for all the PMP aspirant from all your journey. Like you are the person who give exam 2 times in the home. Okay. So and you
Yes.
prepared for center also, and all the process went smoothly. You went to that. You gave exam. What is a 1 minute advice you will give to all aspirant that they can apply in their PMP and can clear it?
Before giving advice, I would like to thank you so much. You have become my hero.
Thank you. Thank you.
Otherwise, if your videos were not there, then I would not have. I think I would not have cleared the PMP.
I believe in karma a lot. So I suggest
Yes.
when your karma was, you were looking for something, karma gave you that thing. So you were doing that thing and you have it.
Seriously, earlier also I have gone, but I never went through your videos. I thought, yes, somebody is there. But this time I don't know from where it got. I watched all your videos. Seriously, I referred to everyone.
Sent it.
See, okay, so my advice is that do as much as mock you can.
Do as
It will, yes, as much as mock you can. It will clear your concepts,
Okay.
what you have made right, why you have made right,
Okay.
why you have made wrong. So automatically you will correct yourself where you have made wrong. So automatically you will improve in your mocks. If it is not getting improved, then I think you are focusing on your score, not on your concepts.
That is a very important concept. Doing root cause analysis, understanding the concept is more important than the score. Like yesterday, I had a coaching call, and my main point was that score is not important. Root cause.
Correct.
And the same thing,
Yes.
Raj. Thank you, Raj. Thank you very much. And I hope the hard work, all thing you did for PMP, because anyone who does PMP is a costly certification. It's not just the money cost, it's the time cost, it's the energy cost, your family time, you have to give it to that. Like just like many of the things in the life, PMP you don't do alone, your family does it with you.
Correct, correct. For me, it was because I have my small girl child is there. So to manage all of this thing, it is very difficult for me. But somehow they give me some motivation, some energy. So I did it.
Yeah. So thank you very much for your time, and I wish you best of luck for future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.